Long ago, in a land far away, there was a moment in the day called dinner time. I'm kind of hungry, so I hope dinner time comes soon. Basically, all of these people would gather at the table in the evening and eat together. Yes, we are going to do another unboxing of another ship-to-home type food service company called Dinnerly. They make meal kits. Dinnerly.com, and as usual, if I can find a discount, I will put it down below in the description. Now for the subscribers that like my typical build it, you make it, do it yourself type videos and are not interested in this, just go ahead and stop now because it's probably going to bore you. But I do have quite a few people that really did enjoy those videos, so I thought I would go ahead and do this. Packaging seems fair. So what we're looking at is an insulated type packaging. It's not quite like the other ones or the other companies. If you're taking a look at my videos, I'll post a link to all of those videos that I did down below in the description, just in case you're interested. But this feels like a recycled. It's like a recycled type packaging stuck in between some paper. Everything looks to be pretty well packaged. Looks like we have some type of sauces here, and we'll get to the menu here in a second. There's some Sweet Baby Ray sauce. We have some buns, and they actually feel relatively soft. We also have some yellow corn tortillas. They feel pretty good. So in the very, very bottom of the box, we have a very large ice pack that still does have ice in it. Now, it was a cooler day today. I think it was in about the mid-50s, so it wasn't really hot. But the way this is packaged, and we've gotten enough meals with these types of companies, I think this would be okay. And the meat is laying right on top of the ice, so that is something that we like to see. Now in this box there are 3 meals, and the first meal is the black bean and cheese tostitas, and then we have the barbecue beef sandwiches, and we also have over here, we have beef and broccoli stir fry. The menus are not included in the box. You have to either bring them up on your own computer or on your phone or print them off, and I assume this is an effort to be green because we all want less waste if we're trying to be green. Now, as I've also done in the past, I have laid out all the contents in order per meal. So we have 1 meal, 2 meal, and 3 meal. And as I can look at first glance here, they actually look like really good produce. I don't see anything that's badly bruised or anything that looks really bad. Everything looks like it was well packaged. And even the ground chuck looks pretty good. And it looks fine to me. And it was cold, and it's still cold. So it shipped okay. And there you have it. So if you're curious of what's inside a Dinnerly package, this is what you're going to get. Pretty much just like any other meal kit. You're not going to find the menus inside the box. You'll have to take a look at those yourself with your phone or print them off if you need to. I am going to say at $5 a meal, that's pretty hard to beat. I'm sure you could probably source these, and if you're a frugal shopper, you can probably make them cheaper by going to the grocery store. But this is about convenience and time, because we all know if you can make things quicker, that gives you more time to do other important things in your life. They do look good, and I'm not going to cook them up. I never do. There's other people that do that. I just basically want to show you the packaging, how it's going to arrive, and what to expect, because I'm sure a lot of people are wondering, is this going to make it to my doorstep pretty much expired or spoiled? And in this case, I don't think so. I think they did pretty good packaging. I think the very large ice pack in the bottom will be adequate, and they also laid the meat on top of the ice packs, so that's also going to help. Everything looks great. As I like to end these types of videos, please like and subscribe if you like to do-it-yourself type videos. Also, take a look at some of my other videos down below. I'm going to link some of these other ship-to-home food type services, so if you want to take a look at them, you sure can. If I can find a good deal on this, I'm not sure if I can or can't, I will definitely put a link down below as well.